Hi, you beautiful brave hearts. It's Lorraine here from the Detox World Healing and Training Center, and I have Tora here with me. And we are on day 2 of the pelvic restoration and disease prevention, and we just finished a healing circle. Everybody who wanted inserted the egg, and we did a beautiful guided meditation, and we had a lot of good feedback in what people experienced. It was just amazing to be there and witness and hold space and create this sacred bond between a group of 25 women. Just beautiful.
It was so magical, and I feel such a deep level of gratitude for holding space for these incredible women, and just seeing the journey within. And in this room you could actually feel that happening, and everybody had a slightly different experience, exactly as it needed to be for them. But when we let go of the resistance, when we choose ourselves first and foremost, and when we honor the divinity of our incredible being, absolute magic happens.
Yeah, and it's beautiful to be a part of that and witness it. I feel so blessed to be able to bring this information to the world. I know how much it has changed my life. And I was a master trainer already before I took this course, and when I took it, it was like, oh my gosh, all the dark spots in my body started to open up, and the light was coming through even more than what I thought it was. Like, it was so brilliant. I can't express how every woman needs to take this course. If you've got something going on in the pelvic area, for sure you want to take this course. But if you're a healthy woman who just wants to have better connection to who you are and be able to bring that to the younger generation, I mean, this is a beautiful course to do. And we are looking for women who are going to be willing to teach this information, because it's so needed, and there's just not going to be enough of us. So our next pelvic restoration and disease prevention is in Florida, Bonita Springs, on October 28th, 29th, and 30th. You can find more information by going to bhnuniversity.com, and it'll have an outline on, a little bit on information on what we're doing and how the process looks, and how to get registered. We are going to be in Puerto Rico, I think it's the end of January, beginning of February. And we are just so excited to be bringing this information. And if you had a group of ladies, you can give us a call and we can book something to come out to where you are to do this course.
Yes, and it's just it's sacred work. It's incredible work, and the beautiful thing about this class, we have women that are in their 20s, and we have a woman who's just over 70, and it's just we're all on this journey together, and it's never too late to start. It's never too early to start, but letting go of the conscious beliefs that have ruled us, and letting go of the heaviness and this journey within. And at the end of the day, it's the physical temple that we experience life, and all of our quality of life, all of our experiences are actually reliant on that. And especially with this nourishing and healing the sacred space, it's like an acceleration to healing our whole being.
Yeah, it's truly an experience of a lifetime. And if you want to really connect to these beautiful bodies, and you're a woman, you need to be doing this course. I love you guys. Thanks for listening. I so appreciate all the people watching. And, let's spread the word. Let's create a tidal wave of health and healing for all the women out there. Thank you so much. I love you. Have a beautiful day.
See you soon. Bye.